If you have a small YouTube channel, the hardest part isn't editing. It's not even ideas. It's staying rational while your brain screams. This is pointless. Small channels don't die because the algorithm hates them. They die because creators get trapped in predictable psychological loops. First trap, variable rewards. You refresh analytics, hoping for a spike because uncertainty is addictive. It's literally the same reward system that makes slot machines work. And it turns you into a gambler, not a builder. Second trap, learned helplessness. After enough underperforming uploads, your brain stops testing. You start saying, "Nothing works for me." That sentence feels like truth, but it's actually surrender disguised as insight. Third trap, ego protection. Blaming the niche, the algorithm, the audience, it's emotional pain relief. Because if it's your packaging or your retention, you have to change. Blame is comforting. Testing is uncomfortable. Comfort kills channels. Here's the blunt truth. Most small channels don't have a mindset problem. They have a feedback problem. They post, then pray, then feel rejected. That's not a strategy. That's gambling with extra steps. So here's the mentality that actually works. Stop measuring your worth. Start measuring your experiments. Pick one variable per upload. 1. Change the hook, or tighten the pacing, or rewrite the title, or redesign the thumbnail. If you change 5 things, you learn nothing. Small channels don't need motivation. They need iteration. And yes, your early videos might be bad. That's normal. That's the price of entry. Your job isn't to feel confident. Your job is to make the next video measurably better than the last. Here are 4 rules that keep you sane and growing. Rule 1. Your goal is not views. Your goal is better inputs. Views are a lagging indicator. Rule 2. You're not a small creator. You're a creator in phase 1. Stop turning a temporary number into your identity. Rule 3. If your retention drops in the first 30 seconds, your intro is trash. Fix it. No inspirational quote will save a boring opening. Rule 4. Ship consistently, but don't confuse consistency with repeating the same mistake. Consistency without learning is just slow-motion failure. You don't need to be fearless. You need to be detached. Detached from numbers. Attached to craft. Because when you can't control the outcome, the only rational pride is in the process. Did you test something? Did you improve something? Did you ship? That's what strong mentality actually is. Not hype, not hope, just disciplined iteration while your ego complains. So if your channel is small, good. That means you can experiment without pressure. Make the next upload a test. One clear change, one clear lesson. And if you can't handle that, then you don't want growth. You want validation. If you're waiting for the algorithm to believe in you, good luck. It doesn't love you. It measures you. So build better.